ayan guys, as you can see, ako ay nakabihis. Kasi kagagaling lang namin sa kagagaling lang namin sa kasal. Umattend kami ng kasal. And, ayun, kasal ng aking father-in-law at ng stepmom ni David. So yeah, nandito kami ngayon sa Devon. Kasi dito nila piniling magpakasal. So, it's like 4 hours drive. So yeah, diretso kami doon. After 4 hours drive, diretso kami sa may wedding, and then have some food like a tea lunch or something like that. So yeah, ayun ang mga ganap, and chine-check lang ni David ngayon, nandito kami sa hotel kung pwede na kami mag-check-in kasi it's now 2:45 and 3 o'clock pa yung pwedeng kaming mag-check-in. So, i-check niya ngayon kung makakapag-check-in na kami ng maaga para makapaglaboy-laboy kami. And also, diretso na rin to as like holiday namin. Kasi, nag-book rin ako ng day off. And then, si David din is nag-book din siya ng holiday niya. So, nandito kami from Thursday until Saturday. So, 2 nights. 3 days and 2 nights kami dito. It's really a shame because I forgot my camera. Yan, niready ko siya. Niready ko na lahat. Inassemble ko na lahat. And then, at the end, naiwan ko ang aking bag na gagamitin ko sana ngayon. So, yeah. So, I am now using my phone. I've got a backup camera pero hindi magiging ganun katagal ang pag-film ko doon kasi nga hindi ganun kalaki yung memory niya. So, hopefully this phone, ang aking phone ay makasurvive hanggang Saturday para malibot ko kayo dito kasi this is like this is like David's second home. Ito yung lagi niyang pag nag-holiday sila as a family before nung bata pa siya, simula ng pagkabata niya is dito siya naglalagi, as in talagang nagra-rent sila ng caravan. And this is my 3rd time being here. First is nung kakasal namin, honeymoon, and then next one is we just have like a night, 1 day 1 night, 2 days 1 night dito, and then in the same hotel. And now we're having 2 nights 3 days today. So yeah. So, yan. Samahan nyo kami na ililibot ko kayo kung saan ang mga, yan. So, yan. Nandito na yung aking mister. Tingnan ko kung makakapag-check-in na kami. Babalikan ko kayo later. So, ayun guys. Nandito na kami sa my room. So, this is the front door. Then, ayan. May mga hanger dyan. And then, ito ilalagay mo sa may labas kung ayaw mo disturbo pagka sa umaga. And may pasalamin dyan. Ayan. So, ayan. Paano mo? Ayan. Ayan pala. O, ayan. O, diba? May pasalamin dyan. O. With the light. Ang sabi ng light na yan. And then, meron pang whole body. So, ito ang outfit ko kanina. Ganyan. O, diba? Ayan. Ganyan ang outfit ko. And then, dito muna tayo sa shower room, toilet. So, ayan. Ayan ang toilet natin. Ayan siya. May basurahan dyan. How many towel is this? 2 towel, 3 towel. Then, ayan, may malaking salamin. And then, meron silang hand wash dyan. And then, meron din silang shampoo. So, ayan. Ayan ang itsura niya. Ganyan. Yung dati namin, yung last time na nagpunta kami dito is bath. But ngayon, medyo small itong room na to kasi nandito kami sa mga bagong building. Shower lang siya. So, ayan. Mas madami yatang room dito sa bagong building. But, I prefer this kasi nga, hindi ka na mahihirapan sa diba? Hindi ka na mahihirapan umakyat-akyat pa sa bahay. Kasi pag nag-holiday ka naman, especially dito sa may pinuntahan namin is madaming, yung surrounded siya ng beach. So, hindi ka naman talaga mag-i-stay dito to have a bath. So, sabi ko kay Mr. is I prefer that. Tinanong niya ako kanina kung gusto kong tanungin niya kung gusto kong ipa-swap. But, I said that's fine with me. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya. And then, eto na yung aming bed. So, medyo maliit lang siya. Maliit lang na room. So, ayan. And then, ayan. May pa-aircon sila. May pa-heater. All in one. The heater, fan, aircon. Yun, pag malamig, ganun. And then, ayan ang bed. And then, may pa-TV sila dyan. Ayan yung mga gamit namin. And then, oh, meron pa silang pabukasan ng ano dito, oh. Pang bukasan ng alak. And then, ayan, may pasalamin na naman dyan, oh, diba? Kompleto sila sa salamin. And then, ayan, meron, kasi sa baba is may restaurant. So, meron silang menu dyan. And then, kung gusto nyo umorder and everything like that. And then, ayan, meron silang pa dalawang cup dyan. And then, kettle. May dalawang Nescafe. May sugar there. Merong sweetener, I think. Yeah, sweetener. Meron silang white sugar and brown sugar. And then, meron silang dalawang tea. And then, meron din silang, ayan, 4 na milk. May baso sila dyan. Kung gusto nyo uminom, ganun. And then, ayan, may pabin sila dyan. Isang upuan. And then, wala kami sa seafront. So, ito. Gubat ang aming window. So, ayan, ganyan lang naman siya. Ganyan ang itsura niya. O, diba? So, ayan. Dito muna tayo mag-chill-chill. Hinintay ko lang si David kasi nasa toilet siya. And then, ako din. And then, ayan, hinintay ko lang si David. Magpapalit lang kami ng damit. And then, kasi walking distance lang dito yung beach. So, punta kami by the sea. And then, imimit namin ang father-in-law and ang kanyang, stepmom. Imimit namin ng newlyweds. So, ayan, magstay lang kami ng bahagya sa may beach. And then, I think, magsuswimming silang dalawa mag-ama sa beach. And then, ako hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang gagawin ko. Kasi, dito is sobrang lamig ng tubig. Hindi namin talaga siya, alam mo yun, hindi ko ma-enjoy kasi hindi ko, kung nakapunta na kayo sa Baguio, alam niyo yung tubig doon. Ganon yung tubig nila sa sa dagat na sobrang kala mo may 10 yelo na nakalagay. Hindi ko talaga kinakarry. One time lang ako talaga naligo pero hindi ko na inulit. So, yeah. So, ayun guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Nag-take out na lang ako kasi nga ako ay nagugutom na. So, Chinese takeaway pa rin tayo. Chinese takeaway pa rin tayo kahit holiday na. So, yan. Nag-order ako nito. Chips. Ayan. Chips. And then, binigyan kami ng 3 fortune cookies. Ayan. And then, meron tayong egg fried rice. And meron tayong egg fried rice. Ooh, yummy. And then, meron tayong, oh my god, the noodles is big, baby. Special, special chow mein. This is like a special chow mein. Pansit canton sa atin sa Pinas. So, ayan, meron siyang shrimp, may meat, and everything. Teka lang. So hot. Ayan. Hindi na kami hindi na kami pumunta ng restaurant kasi nga si Mr. is hindi maganda ang hindi maganda ang kanyang tiyan. Ayan. Kumain ba naman ang pagkarami-raming cream? which is his what is it, baby?
What?
Dairy.
What about?
Dairy intolerance.
Oh, that's nice. Are you telling them all about my dairy intolerance?
Yes.
I'm sure they all want to hear the ins and outs of that.
That's why he can't really eat, isn't it? So this is
Although I am gonna be eating some of this because it looks really nice.
This is all for me.
No.
You're not allowed.
No.
Oh my god.
And it's not dairy, so I can eat it.
It got dairy in it.
No, it hasn't.
They just told me they got dairy in
What is
it.
it? Dairy shrimp?
Yeah. Dairy noodles. So yeah.
I'm not gonna eat the fortune cookie, but I would like to see what fortune is held within.
Yeah. What fortunes await us.
Oh, maybe it's going to be you will drive around pointlessly. You will spend hours upon hours on the toilet regretting your decisions that you've made throughout the day. And then spend the next hour driving around just as the chip shops are closing.
Yeah. Because I want fish and chips, but everything shut at 8 o'clock, and we went to the first chip shop about 1 minute past 8, and they said they're closed. So yeah.
Yeah, but then we got to the next one 5 minutes later and they were only just closing, and the next one 5 minutes after that and they were only just closing. They were all only just closing at the moment that we got there.
Yeah.
And yet they all still have the doors open.
So yeah. So we ended up at a Chinese takeaway because this is the only open. So what is your fortune? Is it fortune or unfortunate? I'll eat that. Because this is like sweet cones.
It's not sweet, is it really?
It is.
Right.
What?
Well, that really is personal, isn't it? Nobody else would get any meaning from this but me. This really speaks to me.
Hey, baby.
What?
This side. You look at here.
You will be successful in your career.
Oh.
Oh.
You are gonna be,
Perhaps that's a message from my dead grandparents. Because that's very personal to me. That's not going to mean anything to anyone else, is it?
Yeah.
It's probably surely a proper fortune cookie should have your name and address on it.
Ridiculous. But yeah, you might be.
No, I'm not sitting down. I'm not risking it.
Yeah, just. Oh, they got thin noodles though.
Is it good?
They got thin noodles.
Do you like that?
No. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. No. You want it?
Not yet.
Yeah. Wait till I finish it. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and talk to my husband while I'm eating. And see what's gonna happen later after I eat. Possibly go get a shower and then just collapse in bed. Isn't it, baby? I was thinking what we're gonna do later, because it's already, what time is it? It's already 9 o'clock.
I think get a shower and go to bed.
Yeah, get a shower and collapse to bed. That's what we're gonna do, so we've got energy for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this all. So ayan guys, we are ready now for bed, and ayan, mag-sleep na kami kasi mahabang araw na naman ang aming lalakbayin tomorrow. So, lalakbayin, madami kami mga ganap for tomorrow, which is hindi pa naman namin talaga napag-uusapan kung saan kami pupunta. But, very familiar naman si Mr. dito sa lugar na ito, and also it's still holiday, kids holiday, kaya sobrang madaming tao. So, maybe magstay lang kami sa beach and then upo-upo doon. Mga ganun siguro mga gagawin namin. Hindi kami makapupunta sa mga amusement park and everything. So, yeah. I think that's it for today. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mga ganap. Kahit wala naman masyadong ganap. Hindi ko pa kayo diba? Hindi ko pa kayo na-tour sa labas. Dito lang tayo lagi sa may hotel. Dito lang tayo lagi sa room. But ayun, tomorrow is sa next vlog natin is may makikita na kayong mga tanawin. So yeah, kasi kanina is medyo in-enjoy muna namin ang, alam nyo yun, ang ano sa bagong kasal. So nung kinita namin sila is siguro mga few hours din kaming nagstay and nakipag-chikahan sa kanila. And then yeah, ayun lang naman. And hindi na rin ako nag-video kasi nga, alam mo yun, pinaka-like private and everything like that. So yeah, tomorrow samahan nyo kami ulit sa next vlog namin. Ay samahan nyo kaming maglibot dito sa aming holiday. Yan guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.